We're down here in Wexford today.
Wait. I've got subtitles here.
We're down here in Wexford. We've got our Chinaman Eric with us today on the China. He's coming along on Mike. We've got our VR6 here today. So I have the VR6 Mark III Golf in a nice green finish, owned by himself, there, Mr. William Cornett. Now we'll take a wee walk around the car there. Recently purchased by William himself. William, come in and have a wee talk with us here for the video. Not so bad, William. Just going to get a wee interview here. So, William, good to see you. William, when did you purchase the vehicle? Just before Christmas. Just purchased it there before Christmas. You did. Lovely, stunning example, William. I have to give you a fair juice right now. Nice wee finish the wheels on a full leather interior as well. Now, William, tell us a little bit about the car. 1997 Mark III Golf VR6. What colour, William, is on the book?
That is Dragon Green.
Dragon Green in this stunning VR6. As you can see, very rare car, not many about, but here, what can you do? As I say, William Cornett, Mark III, get our board.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
You enjoy yourself?
It was a very good day, as it was hot by all, you know what I mean? You know, the weather was lovely, you know. What about yourself? Shit. What on
I shit myself. Whoa. There's 3. Actually, on second review of the situation, you actually have a set of anal beads in your hand. Is that on camera?
Yeah, they're Eric's, not mine.
I wondered why you were walking funny today, Eric. Only the first 3.
Who the fuck is that guy?